Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I wish you all are fine and doing your best. Let's talk about today's topic, and that is the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowing Evening. एक सच शाम को जंगल में कयाम. This poem that is written by Robert Frost. Before starting the reading, I want to explain about Robert Frost. Who was he? He was actually a famous American poet. He was born on March 26, 1874. Most of his poems are about human psychology, rural scenes and landscape, homely farmers, and the natural world are used to illustrate a psychological struggle with everyday experience met with courage, will, and purpose in the context of Frost's life and personal psychology. Let's start the reading of the poem. Whose woods there are, I think I know. ये जंगलात किसके हैं, मेरा ख्याल है मैं जानता हूँ. His house is in the village though. अगरचे उसका घर गांव में है. He will not see me stopping here. वो मेरा यहाँ ठहरना नहीं देखेगा. To watch his woods fill up with snow. कि उसके जंगल को बर्फ से ढका हुआ देखने के लिए. This was the first stanza of the poem. Now I'm going to read the second stanza with its translation. My little horse must think it queer. मेरा छोटा घोड़ा इस बात को जरूर अजीब समझेगा. To stop without a farmhouse near. Translation. My little horse must think it queer. मेरा छोटा घोड़ा इस बात को जरूर अजीब समझेगा. To stop without a farmhouse near. कि किसी नजदीकी फार्म हाउस के बगैर ठहरना. Between the woods and frozen lake. जंगल और जमी हुई झील के दरमियान. The darkest evening of the year. साल की तारीक तरीन शाम के वक्त. He gives his harness bells a shake. वो अपने साज की घंटी बजाता है. To ask if there is some mistake. ये पूछने के लिए कि क्या कुछ गलत हुआ है. The only other sounds the sweep. दूसरी वाहिद आवाज हवा के तेजी से गुजरने की है. Of easy wind and downy flake. अच्छी हवा की और बर्फ के गालों की. This was the third stanza what I read. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. जंगल प्यारा, तारीक और घना है, लेकिन मैंने वादे पूरे करने हैं. And miles to go. और मीलों सफर करना है. Before I sleep. सोने से पहले. And miles to go before I sleep. और मुझे सोने से पहले मीलों सफर तय करना है. This was the complete poem. I have read the 4 stanzas of the poem with the translations for you guys. And one thing more, students, the complete written summary I will forward in the group. You can take from there and do write in your English note. words and their meanings with their right pronunciation. So first word that I'm going to write on the board, that is queer. Queer, queer. Its meaning here, ajeeb. Queer meaning ajeeb. Frozen. Frozen, frozen. Its meaning munjamid, jama hua. The next word is flake. Flake, flake. बर्फ का गाला. Downy, downy. Here the meaning of downy is nerve. The last word, HARNESSBELL. Harness bell. Harness bells. HARNESSBELLS. Here the R is silent. So harness bells, it means घोड़ा गाड़ी का साज.